Hello, it's around 2:30 p.m. on the 4th of May. Welcome to the weather update. A lot warmer than we expected today. 69 in Farmingdale right now, so still getting close to 70. And again, the models just didn't indicate that it was going to be this warm. We have a north wind at 15, gusting to 23. So I'm guessing maybe the cold front has lagged a little bit. Looking at the radar, we've had a couple of showers move through the area. I'll just refresh this here. A couple more showers, but I think that should be it for the showers, hopefully. And this is probably the leading edge of the cooler air trying to come in. I guess maybe, I don't know, models just didn't predict that it was going to get up quite this warm today. Looking at the map here, that's interesting. I'm getting different reading from the map. It's saying 66. So I guess maybe this is real time, and the other when we go to the other one, that's at the top of the hour. So it is dropping 66, but you still see well into the mid 60s on Long Island, some upper 60s, and even a 70-degree reading in Lower Manhattan, and probably Jersey. Probably, yep, no surprise, mid 70s in Jersey. This is around Tom's River. What else is new? Miller Air Park's got 73, so a lot warmer even than predicted, even down there. So again, it just goes to show you the models just sometimes can just underestimate the warmth of these air masses and how hard it is to cool it down. Very interesting to see across the area. See this. However, I will use this to get the actual at top of the hour observation from Tom's River. Mount Holly is 73, 72. Just yeah, much warmer than expected. No, not Binghamton. And if we go look at the city, Central Park again, we'll see with 66 and overcast there in Central Park. I'm wondering if they actually got up to 70 degrees. Yep, they actually did. So it actually did hit 70. Probably most places today it hit 70. We didn't think it was going to happen again. So yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. What can I tell you? This is let's look at the satellite here. So we'll look at the satellite loop. So you can see plenty of clouds over the area. Plenty of clouds that we're dealing with because we have this trough and this. I guess the cold front really hasn't come through until now, which is kind of a surprise, but that's what we're dealing with. Let's look at a different radar here. Let's look at the more regional radar. You can see again where the showers are coming from. There's another area of showers up here. Whether that actually stays together or not, I'm not sure. We'll have to look at the models and see. It's a slight chance of a shower, and the air is very dry, so I honestly don't think it's going to reach the ground. So we're going to just look at our northeast region in this weather update to show you the HRRR. So we'll go to that one. That's the most rapidly updating model we have. And see if that actually, we do have any more showers. HRRR says no. So say we should be done with that. And then that moves out, and then we're dry for tomorrow. I do want to look at the rainfall amounts from the rain yesterday. So let's go look at that. Well, no, the rain this morning, actually. So we're going to look at all the observation stations. We'll start off with Farmingdale. See how much rain they got. Very little, just 0.01. It really didn't start. Those showers and thunderstorms last night didn't start get going until they got into Suffolk. So let's see what Islip was reporting. 0.10. And let's go a little further east. Brookhaven. 0.18. So see the numbers are going up as we go out east for that rain that we had. Let's see West Hampton. 0.07. So yeah, it would seem like right around that central Suffolk area they got close to a quarter of an inch from those showers and thunderstorms early this morning. Okay, so look at the NAM and see again. It's not really going to be any more rain. I think we're done with it for today. Hopefully, And then we're done, and we're dry tomorrow. But you see the isobars are tight, so we have that northwest wind. And then the next system would be for Wednesday. But the NAM seems to think that it kind of gets suppressed to the south. But then it kind of, oh, look at that. It kind of gets close to us here and kind of, yeah, look at that. So once it gets offshore, this system could really bomb out, but it should just miss us, according to the NAM. And this is for Thursday now. So Wednesday, and now we're at Thursday. So according to the NAM, that thing just misses us. I'll have to see what happens with that. That's the NAM. We'll look at the GFS now. See how that tracks. So this is the Wednesday system. GFS seems to have us a lot wetter and the system a lot closer to us. So it could have us getting into some rain on Wednesday. And that rain would linger into the first part of Thursday. And then that system would pull out. And then the next system would roll in late Friday night. And that would be another quick mover that's out of here. And then Saturday we have some instability. And this Saturday is going to be a very cold day with very cold flow coming in. You'll see in a minute. And Sunday we're still dealing with the tight isobars. And then, yeah, another system for Monday. So it looks like maybe we try to get back to that horrible wet pattern that we were in as we get toward later this week, perhaps. Hoping not, but that seems to be what the GFS seems to indicate. We'll look at the one more other model. That's the ICON model. See how it handles that next system. So there's like two pieces of energy, but Wednesday is definitely going to be your next day for a chance of rain, perhaps. So there's your low, and it kind of just sits there and intensifies just offshore. And then the next system, this is Friday system. Friday night system, which might brush us. And then we may have some instability showers on Saturday. And the reason for that is we'll look at the temperatures. And we'll look at the ICON temperatures. So for this, and then I'll compare it with the GFS. So Tuesday, you're dealing with temperatures in the mid-50s. Wednesday, or even colder, because again we have the clouds and showers around, so we're probably only going to be in the upper 40s, perhaps clouds and then showers later. And then Thursday, we're going to try to warm up, I guess, back into the mid 50s. The sun comes out, that's what it would indicate. Friday, and then here comes Saturday. Again, another really cold day, and it's a really cold air mass. We may wind up going below freezing again, so we may need free. And Sunday, only in the mid 40s, so that's well below normal for this time of the year, and I'm sure the GFS would agree with that as far as the temperatures go. So we're gonna look at that as well. Actually, this is Sunday. Oh, this is yesterday. Whoops. Here's tomorrow, going up into the mid 50s, and then Wednesday it's gonna be chilly. It's gonna be raw, but hopefully we can avoid the rain until later in the day. And Thursday looks like it has the sun coming out, so it has the system pulling away. Still warm Friday, and then there's that weekend again. Might actually wind up being a little cooler than that, perhaps. So let's go look at the clouds and see what we're going to have here. So obviously plenty of clouds. Tomorrow, we're going to have to watch these cirrus clouds. They may mess up the day a little bit. We'll have to see how many of them we're going to have. Hopefully that's overdone. But tomorrow is really the best day of the week, because Wednesday we're going to have plenty of clouds. Thursday, maybe we can get the sun out by the afternoon. Friday, we're going to have more advancing clouds ahead of the next system. Saturday, we're going to be dealing with this cutoff system in our area, so it might be instability, cloudiness. And then the next clear day might be Sunday. We can look at the NAM 3 kilometers as far as the clouds go. See how it handles that advancing. Yeah, that cirrus just rolls right in on us. It looks like it just rolls right in on us tomorrow, so doesn't look like we're going to have a clear day at all. And then Wednesday we're dealing with plenty of clouds. Bless me, allergy season. Let's look at the RGEM. You can So yeah, that cirrus just kind of rolls in on us, but maybe we can keep most of it at bay. RGEM seems to think we'll keep most of it at bay, so we might have just sun and some cirrus. But that'll be your best day of the week, I think, because the other days we're going to be dealing with issues. And if we go to look at windy.com, we'll look at the winds with those days as well, because it's going to be a little on the windy side. So let's look at that, and then we'll wrap up this weather update. So you can see kind of windy out there right now. Let's go look at tomorrow. The winds drop off tomorrow, but then Wednesday we'll probably be dealing with them again. Yeah, from the east, and that's the issue. We have that east wind. When you have that, that usually has a tendency to bring in the moisture. And then Thursday, we're going to be dealing with those. Let's see, it doesn't have it that bad actually on the backside. Okay. Friday. Yeah, it's indicating some type of LLJ on Friday night. That means it would warm it up. Yeah. So, and then Saturday, we're back in that. Back dealing with the other northwest winds, and they'll be pretty strong. Saturday is going to be a windy, raw day. It's going to be windy, pretty winds gust into the 40s, and it's going to be cold. So here you go. Temperatures only in the 40s as well. So you're going to get a taste of winter again. If this was the winter, we would probably only be in the low 20s for highs. So it's a waste of a cold air mass, unfortunately. Anyway, I think that's going to wrap up this weather update. So take care. Thank you for watching.